The capital city of Pakistan, Islamabad. जब भी आप इस शहर के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो you generally visualize long clean highways surrounded in lush green hills with the outlook of modern urbanized capital that resides Pakistani elites, diplomats and the politicians. लेकिन इस शहर की जिस जगह पर हम जा रहे हैं, it offers perfect blend of modernized yet traditional theme. हम जा रहे हैं लाइफ को ज़रा more purely experience करने. मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना urban life से break लेकर हम चलें पाकिस्तान की finest rural life को explore करने. Islamabad has many great stories to tell. And one of them is Saidpur village. It's embedded in the lap of lush green Margala Hills. Emperor Akbar bequeathed the village to Sultan Said Khan for the services of his father, Sultan Sarang Khan, in the fight against Sher Shah Suri. This is why it's called the Saidpur village. Ni hao, we're finally here at the Saidpur village. Fresh air, amazing scenic beauty, goats, mountains, all of this adds up to the positivity that I'm experiencing. शुरू से ही मेरा माइंड में एक विविड सा विजुअल था about a basic representation of a village. कहते हैं this village reflects the rich history and religious heritage of three eras: Muslims, Hindus and Sikhs. It's amazing, isn't it? तो चलते हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे इस ब्यूटीफुल विलेज को. Beautiful and quaint village. It's believed to be the oldest village in Pakistan. Oh, look what I found. मुझे हमेशा से आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट रहा. So let's go inside and see. Wow! I never thought I would find such fancy shops in any of the villages in Pakistan. But in Saidpur, we do. These are all handmade products. वो गुरुद्वारा है that was built by the Sikhs in the 20th century. और उसके पीछे है धर्मशाला जहाँ pilgrims आते थे. और उसके साथ है बिल्कुल एक मंदिर है. और मेरे बिल्कुल सामने है वो एक मस्जिद है. So guys, पुराना ज़माना में people from different religious backgrounds, they coexist together in harmony. क्या बात है! And I've heard so much about Saidpur village and I've read so much information about it as well. So I'm going to explore further. ये temple 16th century में बना था. इसको रामा मंदिर कहते हैं as it was dedicated to Hindu god Rama. The temple was built by commander Raja Man Singh. It had tall brass statues of goddesses Kali and Lakshmi. Hindu devotees in the area used to gather in Saidpur to celebrate the festival of Baisakhi. Walking towards the Dharamshala, I actually wonder how it would have been back in the history. Such a perfect example of diversity. The Nakashkari and Kashikari work is totally amazing. कुछ खास है इस जगह के बारे में. The ambience is very enigmatic. Let's go inside and explore. Wow, this is really spacious. मैं imagine कर सकती हूँ कि यहाँ पर गुरु नानक के कितने ज़्यादा disciples होते होंगे. Dharamshala contains all the before and after pictures of this beautiful Saidpur village. CDA's surely done a great job. Hats off to them. So I'm here inside the Dharamshala. It has been converted into a picture gallery. और उससे पहले एक स्कूल था जहाँ गुरु नानक philosophy पढ़ाते थे. I'm really amazed at how well maintained this place is. Wow! ये fireplace काफी exquisite लग रहा है. I can already sense the old long history of this place. just by the touch of it. I'm such a poser. Yes, of course. मैं अपने पिक्चर जर्नल के लिए ये मोमेंट बिल्कुल भी स्किप नहीं कर सकती. The famous Gurudwara, built by the Sikhs in the 20th century, the place where the Sikh pilgrims used to offer their devotion to their guru. As you can see, कुछ carved writings है on the floor, near to the Gurudwara area, rich in history and culture. Now I know कि Saidpur इतना popular tourist spot क्यों है in Islamabad. It's only because of the taste of diversity it offers to the visitors. Display and showcase their talent. Indeed, Pakistanis are very creative. इन गलियां मुझे अंदरूं शहर की फील्स दे रहे हैं. फ़र्क सिर्फ ये है कि ये माउंटेनियस एरिया में बना हुआ है. इस विलेज की सबसे खूबसूरत बात, the villagers are working here and earning bread and butter for their families. The locals who lived in the area still have their houses intact. Oh guys, I think ये वो जगह है जहाँ मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाते हैं. I cannot wait to check it out. Let's go. There are so many things. This is so cute. ये इसको क्या कहते हैं? और मैंने सुना कि अगर आप इसमें पानी डालेंगे तो गर्मियों में ये ठंडा पानी ठंडा ही रहेगा. ओह, उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा है. Visit us to have a look at 120 years old train. इतनी पुरानी? There's something unique about this place. Wow, this is so cool. And here's an elephant. Oh, इसके साथ एक कैरेज है. Obviously, पंजाबी में हम कहते हैं तांगा और चाइनीज में हम कहते हैं माछ. छोटे से डियर. So cute.